Good day, everyone, especially to Ma Manal. So today we will be discuss about the cultural and international literature. So since video reporting ang among gibuhat is modretso nako sa ako ang part. So my part is Akong Bugsay by Amaya Abuetes. The historical background, Akong Bugsay is a bilingual children's book by Amaya C. Abuetes that teaches the Bugsay principle of Ramon Abuetes Foundation Incorporated or RAFI. The book's title, meaning My Paddle in Cebuano, uses a fishing trip with a boy named Andoy and his father to symbolize navigating life's challenges. It was launched on February 2013. So the origin and purpose, author Amaya C. Abuetes, publisher Ramon Abuetes Foundation Incorporated or RAFI, purpose to teach the Bugsay Principle, a philosophy introduced by RAFI President Roberto E. Abuetes. The principle uses the metaphor of paddling to represent navigating life's challenges with determination and hard work. Next is the origin and purpose, target audience. Children with example, language, and story formats being suitable for children reading aloud. Next is the key elements, title Akong Bugsay, translate to My Paddle in Cebuano. Story, a young boy, Andoy, goes on a fishing trip with his father. Through their journey, he learns about planning and hard work to achieve a goal. Next is the cultural context. The book is written in both English and Cebuano, connecting it to Filipino culture and the local language. The book was launched on February 19, 2013. Next is the summary. Akong Bugsay by Amaya Abuetes, Andoy who is eager to learn fishing from his father, our Papa ventures on a fishing trip to Cabuyan Islands. Facing setbacks during a storm, Andoy overcomes fear with Papa's encouragement and the rhythmic song by Song Di Sing. Bugsay, bugsay, kiling-kiling jutay, bugsay, bugsay sa barutong gamay. The return triumphed, having continued to capture fish in spite of early difficulties. Through goal setting and tenacity, Andoy gains vital lessons represented by his beloved paddle. By the time the novel finishes, Andoy is motivated to try out new hobbies including creating fishing basket. So, despite sa struggle nga naagian nila Andoy and sa iyang papa is si Andoy is na strong siya and then kanang gatuloy-tuloy gihapon siya because of kanang bugsay song nga gikanta sa iyang papa. So they are strong para makuha niya ang iyahang goal nga makakuha og isda. So next is the character list. Andoy the young boy, Papa Andoy's father who is the fisherman. The protagonist and antagonist, the speaker or narrator, the person holding the bugsay or paddles challenges in life that try to stop the speaker from reaching his goals. Next is the setting and context. The story takes place at sea near Cabuyan Islands where the father and son go fishing. Next is the narrator and point view. The first person narrator in Akong Bugsay expresses his personal journey and values through his bugsay, which symbolizes hard work, perseverance, and self-reliance. Next is the tune and mood. The tune reflects the speaker's determinations, while the mood inspires readers to believe in themselves and work hard to reach their goal. Conflict, the central conflict in the story Akong Bugsay May Paddle is a classic man versus nature and international struggle. The young boy protagonist Andoy and his father must overcome the challenges of nature and their own fears to achieve their goal on a successful fishing trip. The climax of Akong Bugsay is when a storm hits fishing trip and Andoy and his father work together to weather the challenge and continue fishing ultimately succeeding by coordinating their efforts to the rhythm of Bugsay Bugsay song. This event represents the peak of the story where Andoy applies the lessons he learned about perseverance and teamwork to overcome a significant obstacle. Next is the imagery of Akong Bugsay May Paddle is rooted in the literal act of rowing a boat which serve as a powerful metaphor for navigating the challenges and journey of life. The children's book of the same name and the Bugsay principle it is based on use the imagery to convey the importance, purpose, hard work, and resilience. Next is the paradox in Akong Bugsay is that hardship and struggle, which seems to weaken a person, actually make them stronger and more determined. Next is the personification of Akong Bugsay May Paddle can be personified as a trusted lifelong companion and guide for navigating the journey of life. Rooted in Cebuano folklore and the Bugsay principle of Brahman Abuitis Foundation Incorporated, each represents our talents, abilities, and determination to achieve our goals. Last but not the least, the moral lesson of Akong Bugsay is what we are responsible for our own success like a paddle guiding a boat. Our effort and determination lead us toward our goals. So, moral lesson of this is example kita mga future teachers like Andoy, we are responsible for our own success. Kita ra gyud ang magbuhat kung kanang mopadayon ba ta o dili sa atong pag-eskwela. So as a future teacher zone, kung naaman gani ka ng mga struggles, mga problems sa ato ang life, like dili lang gyud ta mawad-an og paglaom, then kanang maningkamot jud ta nga makuha gyud nato atong pangandoy. So that's all and thank you.